sunshine. We are at the Silcock Funfair at DW Stadium in Wigan, and it's glorious. We've had a little wander around and we've been looking at this, the police station Funhouse. We've seen that at a couple of fairs and we're really keen to ride it, so...
Well, not ride it,
but we're really keen to make fools of ourselves in there, so that's first on the list for the DW Stadium Funfair today.
Yeah, so we'll see you in there. The Funhouse now, and there's no way down other than a big twirly slide,
which is fine. I think we'll be okay.
Yep, let's go for it. So here we go. What if I hear the book again?
Okay, let's hope she's out. Woo! Ow! I got a massive electric shock.
That was a really good one.
Really good Funhouse, and we like a Funhouse.
Yeah.
Great slide as well. Really nice end to it. Yeah. Happy days.
Happy customers. That young man's just won £20. Got to go flat. Nearly. Have a look at that, sweetheart. Flat to the table. Who's going to be our next big winner? Coming in, come on. It is only £1 a game. Wandering over the block to win. Nice and high. Throw them high. You've got to go over the square.
Oh.
That young man's just won £20 cash. Another lucky winner. Another happy customer. We've had lots and we need more. This young man's just won a watch. Lucky winners. Happy customers. Who's going to be our next? One ring over the block to win.
Last one.
We've got prizes for everyone. This young man's a winner. He's come back to do it again. Because once you win a prize on this one, you will come back to do it again.
I'll be doing
Just
them all
like
the
this
time.
young man. And another.
Not a fan of the Tagada.
You're not a fan?
I'm not a fan. I'm
love
not a fan.
it.
It's too violent.
I love it.
It's too dangerous. Come on, lift us up. Here we go. Woo! Oh, feels amazing. It's really strange, isn't it? Wow! Love it! Love it! Woo! Never ever be alone. Woo! Oh my God! It's amazing! Woo! 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 Oh wow! Never ever be alone. Woo! Oh my God! Oh my God! It's just amazing. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Oh no, babe! Oh, it's nearly done now. Woo! It's really forceful, isn't it? Oh God! It's just because it's going down. That's right. Amazing! Amazing! I thought you were right. I really need a cold drink. Oh. We just put up Superstore.
Yep.
And we really need a drink. I mean, I could do with an alcoholic drink, but a slushy will have to do. It was just amazing.
The weirdest sensation ever.
Very strange sensation. Really, really powerful, like really intense, isn't it?
From the moment it starts, it's just so powerful.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Brilliant. But I would 100% ride that again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
At first I was like, oh hell no, get me off this, but after I've rode it, I'm off it, I'm like, yeah, that was brilliant.
And they get you on, you sit down, the thing comes down, boom, you're off. There's like hardly any waiting around. It's just a cracking ride. We've seen her at quite a few different fairs, haven't we? But this is the first time we got around to riding it, and really glad we did. We thought it would probably be quite similar to Mega Spin, but
I like that bear.
yeah, kind of was, but different. It certainly looks more modern, I think, doesn't it, than Mega Spin? But both different rides, but amazing, yeah. Superstar. The beach,
Thumbs up.
we like.